You didn't come this far to quit, not after everything you've been through, not after all the pain you carried, not after all the nights you survived in silence. You didn't come this far just to stop now. There were moments when quitting felt easier, moments when giving up looked peaceful, moments when you were tired of fighting battles nobody could see, and still you kept going. That alone says something about you. Most people quit when things get uncomfortable. They quit when results are slow. They quit when effort stops being praised. But you stayed, even when nobody noticed, even when nobody clapped, even when nobody believed. Look at the version of you from the past, the one who was struggling, the one who was confused, the one who felt lost and unsure. If that version could see you now, they wouldn't tell you to stop. They would tell you to finish. You didn't build this strength by accident. It was built through pressure, through disappointment, through days when life didn't go your way. Every hard moment added something to you, even if you don't see it yet. This phase you're in right now, it's not punishment, it's preparation. Life is shaping you, testing you, forcing you to grow into someone stronger, someone more disciplined, someone harder to break. You're not behind, you're becoming. And becoming takes time. You don't need to feel confident right now. You don't need to feel motivated. You just need to keep moving. Progress doesn't always feel powerful. Sometimes it feels heavy, sometimes it feels lonely. But that doesn't mean it's wrong. Remember why you started. Remember the deep reason, the reason that made you say, I can't live like this anymore. That reason still exists and it still matters. You didn't come this far just to settle, just to survive, just to accept less than what you're capable of. You came this far to change your life. Some days you'll feel strong, some days you'll feel empty. Both days count, because showing up on the empty days is what separates you from everyone else. This isn't about them. This is about you honoring your own effort, your own pain, your own growth. There will be people who doubt you, people who don't understand your struggle, people who think you should have quit already. Let them think that. You're not here to make them comfortable. You're here to build something real. Take one more step, not because it's easy, not because it's guaranteed, but because you owe it to yourself. You didn't come this far to quit. You came this far to finish what you started, and you will. Just keep going.